ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Structure Studios 101 in Pool Studio Blue. Today we're going to be talking about importing your own custom MP3s into the program without using an external editor to do so. So let's just drop some generic stuff in here. I made a generic house with a generic fence on a generic property and dropping a generic pool into the mix. For demonstration purposes. So let's add some trees. So I'm going to open up my library and I'm going to grab an elm tree. I'm going to click the insert multi and I'm just going to start clicking, click, 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 click. What that's going to do, it's going to give all new variations for these trees. So it's not all patterned out. Oh, but wait, they're floating. So all you got to do is select matching and click the auto elevation button. Bang. So there's a freebie for you. So back to our music here. So I type in sound in the library. This is going to open up your all of your icons in your library for all of the sound effects and music and stuff that you have in default program. So you can grab some birds, place it in your design here. I'll usually grab the birds and I'll put them back in the trees, somewhere off of the property. So if I'm in a video, then I can just kind of, when I pass, because these are proximity bubbles, so that means the closer you get, the louder it gets, the further away, the sound diminishes. So again, they're proximity, so you can come in and out, and then you can better place them for your design purposes. So if you get close to it, you're going to hear the birds. If not, you're not going to hear the birds. Just make sure you turn the birds off at night. So here's some default music here, and you can see the proximities. I get further away, the music gets softer. If I get inside the bubble, the music's going to get loud at 100%. So I usually will turn my music down anyway in the program, so that it's either somewhere in the 35 to 45, 50 range, somewhere in there, is what because I don't want to blast my clients' ears when I put it down. So there's an empty slot. So this is what we're going to be doing. This is for your custom music, your custom MP3s. So again, these are proximities. So if you want the music to play in the whole design, without the proximity, just E shortcut key to scale. And then you can turn your volume down here, but there's an add sound button. So click that. It's going to take you to your MP folder or whatever you had. So I have extensive MP3 folders I've collected over the years. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to randomly grab some, and here we go. So this one's some soft piano. And you hear my birds as I pass by the trees. I heard the birds. So this is custom music, custom import music without using an external editor for videos. So here's the deal. You have to be very, very careful in importing music. If the music is copyrighted and you upload your video, your presentation video to YouTube or Vimeo or even Facebook, you're going to get copyright strikes, especially on YouTube and Vimeo, and they'll just take your video down. So 3 copyright strikes, and you're out on YouTube. They'll terminate your account. So be very careful. I'll post up some links on a couple of sites that you can get free background MP3s and download. Start a folder and then go from there. So there's a lot of them out there. Just Google search free background music for videos and it'll pop up. So anyway, that's it, guys. It's that easy. So have fun and be creative. Got questions, post up.